Add-ins help you to personalize your document or speed up the way you access information from online sources. For example, using add-ins, you can search for information from Wikipedia or add an online image without leaving the document. You need the internet to use the add-ins feature. First, let us see how to insert an add-in. Under the Insert tab, from the Add-ins group, click to get add-ins. The Office Add-ins window appears. Use the search bar and type image in it. Here, you can see that there are many images related add-ins. We will select Pixabay Images. Click the Add button next to the add-in. Word takes you to the Insert tab, where the selected add-in is included. This add-in provides different images from an online source for use in your document. Place your cursor where you want to insert the image and then click Pixabay Images from the group. In the pane, type in a keyword related to the image you want. Now click on Search. You can see the thumbnail view of multiple images. Select this image. The image is added to the document. You just inserted an image using the add-in. So easy. Click the cross icon to close the pane. Go to the Insert tab. From the Add-ins group, click My Add-ins. The Office Add-ins window appears. Here, you can view the recently included add-ins. You can see Pixabay on the list. To get more add-ins, use the Store option. You can use Manage Other Add-ins from the Other Add-ins section. Now, click the Close icon to close the window.